Welcome to MummyGirlCars, and as promised, this is the engine running video for the Toyota Camry that's up for sale. And to start off, we'll start off with starting up the engine, so you can have a listen to what it sounds like. And there you have it. It sounds really neat starting up. Have a look at the system. Engine running relatively smooth. Pretty clean engine. Even for a car that's probably had its engine washed, things like this usually would have rust over years. 2005 Camry. So now I'm going to have a look at the exhaust and head to the back. See what the exhaust fumes look like. You can see, looking really smooth. Let's have a look at one of the tests I like doing when I do these things is finger in the exhaust, if I can get it there. It should be okay. That should be okay. We're now going to have a look at the engine running. Have a look inside the cabin. See if we have any check engine lights on. And in this case we do. What we'll do is we'll have a video. You can see the check engine on down there. We'll have a video. I'll do a check to see. This car comes with an AC. We'll check if the AC is working. Yep. There is cooling. It's cooling, and the air conditioning is working. And that's it for today. And my next video will be on the scanning of the engine. Alright, thank you. The air conditioner definitely does work.